Betancourt from Oneonta, New York. Because I once went to get my car detailed, they told me 150 bucks, so I decided to go spend 5 grand on all the equipment so I can make sure I do it myself right. I learned a lot about the different buffers, and I was able to just kind of grab whatever goo I want, squirt it on the car, see how I was able to, bring out certain scratches and polishes out of the car. I never really worked on cars on the outside like that, so it was nice to have. I actually learned a lot about cleaning the crevices and brushes that I was looking more forward to, how to get into the harder cup holder areas and be able to blow out, actually get the car clean instead of having constantly cleaning the car and having specks of dirt everywhere. So I got that out of the way, and then I learned how to properly clean a headliner without causing it to sag, so that was beneficial.